All right, y'all. So here's part two, the Italian sonnet. It is called also the Petranian sonnet. There are two paragraphs to this sonnet. There is the first paragraph, or the first stanza, has 8 lines in it, and it's called an octave. And the second paragraph or stanza has 6 lines in it, and it's called a sestet. The rhyme scheme must begin with A, B, B, A, and A, B, B, A, which means the A's rhyme and the B's rhyme. And then the last 6 sentences or the last 6 lines of the poem can have a variation of C, D, E. So you decide how you want that to rhyme. It could be C, D, E, C, D, E. It could be C, D, C, D, E, E. It could be C, C, D, D, E, E. That is completely up to you. The first 8 lines talks about the problem, and the last 6 lines talks about the solution. So let's look at one. This is a more modern take on the sonnet. It's called Lost and Found. Well, not too modern, but a little more modern English. It says, I lost my heart to a heart unknown, hidden deep within my tangled mind, around which has hard callous grown. I did not love for love, nor expect to find. My mind was set, my heart like stone, and to all temptation I have gone blind. Now there is one that claims my soul, finally one who makes me whole. On waking, I think still of my heart, but now I can see that it is well, held in the hands of someone who was a stranger and now a part, who gives a look to me as if to tell, you're mine, together we are one. So remember I said the first part talks about the problem. So this person lost their heart to someone, and they build this, callous or like wall, right, around their heart. And they never thought that they would find another love. And they were just blind to anybody else who approached them, until one day, sorry, y'all, his or her heart awoke, and he realized he or she still had a heart to want to love someone, and someone was holding their heart, and they once were strangers, and now they're not, and they are together as one. So pretty cool. All right. So this is what you're going to do. One thing I didn't talk about, y'all, was the rhyme scheme for the Shakespearean sonnets. Let me go back really quick. It's A, B, A, C, D, C, E, F, E, F, G, G. So the first paragraph, the first stanza, these 2 lines rhyme, those 2 lines rhyme. So it's more rhymes that you can come up with, which makes it kind of easier to do. So you decide which one you want to do. So the first thing you're going to do is, for today, I don't want you to care anything about rhyme scheme. I don't want you to care about anything about how many syllables is in the line. Today, I just want you to write 14 really long lines about some aspect of love, right? And so then tomorrow, I'm going to write my own 14 lines that are very long. Make sure they're long lines, because then it's easier to shorten a line than it is to expand a line. Okay. So I just want you to write 14 lines on your about love. So make sure for my kids who are doing it on paper, do not write on the actual handout I've given you yet. Do this on scratch paper, because you're going to be playing with those lines tomorrow to break them down to your 14 lines, to your syllables, and to make it an actual sonnet. Okay, so today I just want 14 long lines about love. Remember, those first parts should be you introducing the problem, and the last part should be you solving it in some form or fashion. All right. So if y'all have any questions, I am on Google Hangout from 10 to 12 today for you, and every day you can call in or you can log in. All right. Great. I will see you tomorrow.